Go! Go! Sige, jump. Taas pa.
Taas,
Taas pa. Sige.
Jump yun.
Sige. Sige, B.
Jump yun.
Jump sa bed. Jump sa bed. Dili. Sige, high pa. High pa. Higher, B. Higher. Sige. Sige. High pa. High pa. Gana. Sige. Go. 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 Ah.
Sige. Hi guys. I'm in a fun part today. Start with this trampoline.
G. Torya.
I'm jumping higher like I'm flying. This looks like I'm in a moon. This looks like I'm in a moon.
Tawag siyang kagigig. Tawag siyang kagigig. Tawag siyang kagigig. Tawag.
Wow. Wow. Taas.
Yun, ganun tayo.
Wow. Wow. Yes,
Tawag
sige.
siyang kagigig. Tawag.
Hunat ba? Hunat.
Ano mag-jump ka sa bed?
Sa bed. Kusga. Sige. Gana. Gana, yun. Higher.
Higher.
Higher. Higher. High. Higher. Torya.
But this fear level was like 1.5. Let's even though my legs just deeply hurt already, but let's reach this like a fear level of 2. Yeah. But let's keep going even though my legs still hurt. Because recording of stretching already is hard. Wait.
Jump.
Yes.
Sige, jump. Sige, go. 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 Yes. Di man siya kay ba mo jump ba? Kana. Yes. Yes. Go. At taas mo yun. Taas. Yes. Okay. Enough na.
Lampos ka dito
Enough
sa'yo.
na.
Let's make this like a fear level.
Lampos
ka? Lampos man? Dito tayo, Leo. Let's make this a fear level 2. Because that one was like a fear level 2. I saw your side, but because it already ended. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Alright. Wait. Do not turn off the vlog camera, okay?
Unsa man?
I'm gonna expect this is a fear level 5, but I still have to do this. Maybe I come a parkour. Oh, baby.
Sige, go. Uy. Ay, hindi pa makasaka.
Yeah. Let's just go to the another one.
Ato na ni Teza yun.
Let's just go to the another one. Alright. next? Oh, there's so many people. Okay, let me hold the vlog camera.
Panahog siya.
Oh.
Ano na manahog?
I think this is already now, okay? Wait, just hold the vlog camera. I think it's already.
Sige na. Malabang siya, malabang. Sige lang ko.
Dablong na gamit. Nagpinat mo rin.
Sige gabat mo.
Agad dito. Pinat mo rin. Nagikay hira man, nagikay. Ha? Nagikay hira din sa inutan.
Asa mo sapatos, B?
Sige na,
Tara,
kanya
tara.
ikasunod nimo. Sige na.
Go,
Sige
go,
na.
go.
Sige na,
Abante,
Zay.
B.
Sige na kayo na ikasunod
Abante.
nimo.
Pauna sila, pauna, pauna.
Sila, pauna. Ay, bayali.
Be, mato ko tay. Cook TV. Kaya nag-vlog siya. Nag-vlog siya.
Zain, na mo agi.
Sabi mo nag-vlog si nanay.
Ambo tala niya.
Barog!
Sige na, walk, pag-walk. Pag-walk.
Dali!
Sige na, pag-walk. Go. hapit na, dali.
Ang laptop sa bata. Huwag na ako, bata. Ang laptop pati huwag na.
Ang bata.
Sige, Sin. Kamang, Sin. Kamang. Kamang. Sige. Kamang. Kamang. Kamay na lang.
Sige, Sen! Go!
Sige, kamay na lang. Sige, kamay na lang. Sige na, Sin. Huwag ka ng bata, Sin. Umuna siya, Sin. Sige, Sin. Napati, Sin. Walk. Sige, Sin.
Zen!
Walk. Tama, Sin. Sige, Sin. Sin. Tama ka, Sin. Sin. Sin, walk.
Sige na, Sen. Sige na, sige na, sige na.
Kamay na lang. Kamay na lang. Dali na, dali. Kamang. Kamang, dali, kamang, dali. Ano yung muna yung bata? Kamang. Kamang, hala, sige, kamang.
That one was like a 8.5 hour trip. That was so scary. My knees just got hurt already. But please subscribe. And my hat. Wait, where's Kuya Zion and others? Where's Kuya Zion and others?
Tara, tara, tara. Uy.
Everybody just tried to give up. Oh my gosh. This was very scary. Oh my gosh. Woo. All we need to do but we have to do this. Alright. Come on, let's go. I just like even at the J round. What's the train? I just only want that one. Like, I just want to ride that one. That one. I want to ride that one. Like that. What? Tatay. Tatay, let's go over there. Let's go over there. I want to ride the train like that.
Okay ra ka?
Down na ang cellphone.
Bebe.
Okay, so
Palit
because
sa og tubig, palit sa og tubig.
so because of that one, that's why I think that's why
Yes,
my mom.
mapalit. Wala, man dito kwarta diri. Ayaw lang diri.
Woo! There's even nothing we can do already. There's like a fear of 8.5 out of 10. Oh my gosh, guys, no. Woo!
Diri lingkod na, diri lingkod. Sa swing lingkod diri.
I just want to go over there. Where's the train?
Kuradong, agakadong.
That was very scary. I want to go over there on the train like that. No, I want to go over there. Where's Kuya Zion and others? I don't know. It was like pretty scary at all, like an 8.5. No. But what about that one? I think that's not scary at all because I think just we're in the heights. But like I'm gonna expect this is like a fear of 1 out of 10. Because I'm with my grandma right now. Almost like not feeling good already because of that balancing like parkour. And because Kuya Zion is on with me. Okay, where's Kuya Zion and others? Huh? Yeah, I want that. So we're near from the SMC side already, and then I saw because Because last time at almost Christmas, I just got lost in the mountain wing in the supermarket, and I'm like, oh my gosh, where's that one? Oh, the exit. So, photo booth? What's in the photo booth? So just like buying the photo booth. I'm nervous already, guys. Even though music right now, and let's just turn it off.
25 minutes later.
Right now, guys, we're now next. And then the line is so big, it's passing like 25 minutes already, and then we're so excited.
Mereka sa red zone man. Red zone man ay doon man. Dito sa the first na part.
So we can do this, guys.
Pagtarong ha, wakay na patitapa din na.
Sandig lang ha, sandig ulo.
Sandig ulo.
Automatic ka siya, drive lang mo ha, no? Kaya smile sa camera.
No pedal? Guwapa ko dira kuya. Smile.
Okay, walkie mo ma'am, walkie.
Waki.
Okay, happy face.
Happy face.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, we're now ready.
Di na may magpedal, no?
Automatic ka siya lang ka.
Hold the bar, ha? Here we go! Whee! Bye-bye!
Wait,
Alright, yata, ano? Kana.
what's that, slide?
Oh, kana slide ka. Slide ka, bubbles.
No. No, I have a big fear of it like that.
Gusto ka din, ha?
What's that? Sand? Yeah, I want it. Look, the play on sand. Look, there's a
Gusto ka
sand.
Zion?
Kuya Zion?
Look
I
for that.
can't see Kuya Zion.
Awa, naunas kayo!
Wait,
Wow!
that was Kuya Zion.
Wow! Hindi ka ayo lang.
Yeah. Where is Kuya Zion?
Right ta ana ha.
No.
Tandig lang.
No.
Asa si Kuya Zayn? Dara Kuya Zayn na ito ba?
What?
Kuya Zayn.
Kuya Zion! Kuya Zion! Kuya Zion! We're just really collabing with Kuya Zion.
Okay, boss. Mamabay. Tara mamabay. Busy ay mabay.
Mama, bye! Zizi! Zizi! Mama, bye! Zizi! Mama, bye! Zizi! Oh, no, bro. Okay, they're over there, but... Kuya Zion! Si Zizi! Show si Zizi! Show si Zizi!
Ganda sa doon. Ganda sa doon. Zizi.
Zizi! Zizi!
Hi! Zizi! Anata do! Anata ba?
Oh my
Ito ba dito? Ato tao! Yo!
gosh. It's now slow, guys, but like I want to just like drive.
Or dinabi. Dinabi ganan ka na slide ana.
No.
Ura man. This is from abi. Dili man sakit ignaog nimo ko kay grass man oh.
No, I'm scared of long slides. That one just really scared me, bro. That's crazy. I think it'll return off.
Kini oh.
No,
Kini oh.
no, not as well.
Ah, lindot na oh.
Oh my gosh, look it over there. That's no. Alright. like songs over there, but
Gusto
oh,
ka na na?
Vikings? No, I hate Vikings.
Ano yung tana mo?
Can we go around? They're over there just right now walking. Oh my god.
Sakto dian. Kini mo na magisakyan sa Hong Kong. Na musaka siya, musaka. Di ka po sa display na kataas. Ihulog-hulog yung ana-ana. Scary kayo.
Scary?
Pero we made it. Kanina.
There's no Ferris wheel here somewhere. But we're almost to the end.
No Ferris wheel. Wala, padisip ka din na art disco.
Just go no. Alright, we're now so close to the end. Guys, we're so close to the end already. But we need to go to the island and see because we need to play with them by the way. And then our objective was just like play to the snow, but we're at 9:37 and then it was gonna end like at 10. Or 10:30 or 11, and I like that. I don't really know. Sorry, not my place.
Try natin. Dito siya ba?
Yes. Where's Tatay? Wait, Tatay? Let's go. So chilling, my God. Alright, we finally made it to the end. But please subscribe right now. Alright.
Sunday.
Can you please say subscribe because I'm filming a YouTube video.
Si subscribe ko no.
Subscribe. Okay. Oh, disgusting.
Thank you. Zion. Ha?
Zion!
Agi kita ano yan?
Alright, let's go.
Tuyok mo.
Let's just like lay to the sand already, and then what's next? Let's just go down to the stairs already. So now we can play to the sand, and then let's play with PS7 and CT. Right. Yeah. That was not even scary though. The scary was still like a 0 out of 10 though. But really the scare rate is scary, not a rating, but the scare rate. But it's not even scary at all because yeah, it's not even scary. Alright, let's go. Let's go to Zizi.
What's up?
Zizi.
Di na mo moto? Ha? Di na moto? Di, maasa kami ato. Ah, sige.
Alright. Okay. Where's Kuya Zion? I think I'll just collab him. Alright, let's go. Like, what's next? Because let's just play to the sand, by the way. Because it's much fun than we expected. It's much fun than we expected. Let's go to Kuya Zion. Come on.
Tulo.
Okay. Alright, let's just play to the sand first. Let's play sand first.
Anya na lang, kanang nana sila.
Let's play to the sand first. I want to play the sand. I know, I don't want to play with the sand, by the way. My phone will got dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna get
Madirty
dirty.
ka, madirty.
Yeah, I know. Alright, what's next? No. Wait, where's Kuya Zion? He was just over there. Come on, let's go. Tatay! Where are we going? Mini Viking?
Payo kung ta, gamay ka mo, ni purpose swing. Mami, mo si kalisang, kalma lang.
Iwan ka. Vikings! Oh, Vikings. Dali, tay. Dali, tay.
Guba ni. Panas
Sa'yo
Kyle
mo
mo ba?
ba? Ang beses!
Panas Kyle, pila na kilo si Kyle.
Oh, dari na, tay. Oh. Hindi na kayo mag-meeting pa. Wow! 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 Please, tatay! Please, tatay!
Did you know how to get out? Did you know how to get out, guys?
Ano pangitan mo?
Ay, yes.
Awa na to. Nalingaw na tong maayo.
Wait, let's just go. I need to go with that decline. Wait.
Ano ayaw sa'yo?
Oh my gosh. I just want to go to the.
Ato sa Sanging Bridge.
Alright, let's go. Wait, what's the decline already? No, it's already now too late.
Stop, sa!
It's now too late. Where's the decline? Because I almost just over. Alright.
Kita ni mo? Asa man mo?
I'm still looking
kung
for
makita
two.
na ko. Sige, ako papasok og makita na ko.
Wait, I want to go with the decline. I want to go. That is like
Asa
scary.
man?
Gusto ko magkita ni Kuya Zion.
Wala.
Oh, wait, let's go. Let's follow them right away, but we're still looking for Kuya Zion already, and then he was just lost already, and then just found him when we just like ride. What's next already? Because the scare rate is like 1 out of 10. Over there? Again? Because the last see Kuya Zion was just over there. Now today you just see it over there, but there's still life left.
Go!
Well, not again. Not again.
Ha? Pagtiniil na. Pagtiniil lang.
Oh my gosh.
Kaya nag-abot dito, mas-slide ka. Kung ito, ang sapatos na ko, mas-slide. Okay, tayo na itong naka-crocs. Ano, kaya na kayo nag-inap. May uyok. Ako'y mo uyok eh. Yan, mabalik na ko.
Oh my gosh. I think I'm so really tired. So then now she's still looking for Kuya Zion, and then wait a minute. Let's find him. Alright. Where's Kuya Zion? Oh my gosh. What was this like? I work. Alright. Oh my gosh.
Lihok kayo, lihok.
Dali pala tubig.
Oh my gosh! Ate Kyle was so talented. How? Let me just go over there again, but it's not even shaking.
Wanna go back?
Yeah.
Dali. Parang natin sa alba. Hubo lang sinilas.
Come on, stop.
Hubo sinilas. Wala may tao. Dali.
Oh, let's go.
Hubo sa dog
Let's go.
midjas.
Alright, let's go. Let's go,
Hubo
guys.
midjas. Hubo midjas. Okay, dango.
Just. Alright, what's even next? Let's just go. Alright. Let's do this, guys. Alright. So,
Vlog ka kuya, vlog ka.
yeah, please subscribe to my channel.
So, what's your channel?
Yeah, Zane Minecraft right now. I love Minecraft.
In
Alright.
YouTube?
Yeah. See over there? It's not even shaking anymore though, but so. That is where I fall. No. 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 What? The ground is shaking, bro. It looks like an earthquake. Oh my god. It's like an earthquake. Okay. So by the way. Ah! It's now shaking. Oh my gosh. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my gosh. I'm going to fall down. I think we need to just crawl. Yes! It's made it. It's a much shorter time. Right. What's next? What? We need. Alright. Let's go. Airbag. Like, what's this? Jump in the airbag. Oh gosh. Oh good. Let's really run. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Jump, jump. My leg. Okay. Oh, slippers. Wait, I'm gonna wear my socks, please. Oh, socks. Why?
Ibutangin mo medyo sa parte.
Wait.
Uy, mami. Siyempre dili sa tunga.
Puro mo ba? Wait. Woo! Where are they? Wait. Where's Squid? No. No. Where is Kuya Zion? Let's find him.
Wala na lagi to sa Perza. Yan,
Nasa?
sa ulahan. Doon na tato sa Zayn, dili man siya. O ba ni ka anak? Doon na ba? Ha? Close na daw. Close na ni? Oo. Oh, tay! Apil ni?
Oo man na.
Let's go in the chapel.
Doon na ang kamang daan ni Ate Kyle.
No.
Kana o, duha.
No.
Maghudahan mo Ate Kyle.
No.
Dali naman o, very good.
No.
Dali naman po, rana. Kasi
No. No. No, I'm not. No.
Oh, dito na.
Sige,
No.
okay pa daw.
No. No.
Sige na.
No, I don't.
Hindi ka muna Ate Kayel, magkuyog man mo Ate Kayel.
No.
Dili, na magsakay man mo salbabida.
No.
Ali, ali, ali.
No. No, 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 no. No, no, I don't want. No.
Tanawa lang ko. Tanawa sa Ate Kyle. Wala mo ma'am, kami tulungan? Alawan na sa bebe.
Tanawa sila ha, tanawa sila. Tanawa sila ha. Hindi ka man.
That was like so scariest thing I've ever like.
Nindot na.
If we just like tried more.
Asa man ta?
Siguro na ni.
Kato lang tao kapag ito ni dagat taas oh. Kato ba? Hey, tanawa ko eh.
Ay,
Nice kayo.
Nice kaayo.
Kaya na po.
no,
Sa mga ti kayo.
no, no. Oh my god. I think the park is gonna close by the way, and then I don't really think already because it's now 9:52 and then what am I gonna do? But let's just go back home.
Kanang makita ang
Oo, gani.
Ano ba? Ayaw na pag-zoom.
Oh, sige, sige. Tara. Sige. Saan kami balik?
Okay, sa. Kamo lang dalawa kailang.
Oh my gosh. I don't think really. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, what does it feel like to touch this?
Ayaw dia. Kaya maligsan ka. Padaplin.
Nice.
Padaplin. Dito lang ka. Kaya maligsan ka.
Oh. Oh. Let's just play more. Oh my god. Mami, i-text siya daw si Daddy Klein daw. Baka nang i-text siya si Daddy Klein na asa na sila. Kay Timor si Daddy Klein kay wala pa nang pakita ni Kuya Suga kung nasa niya. Ha? Ay wait, no. The socks.
Nice.
Nice to try. Ha? Kawaga sa yung friend.
No.
Ano sila?
Wala pa. Nagsiya pa tulog ko sa mini card.
Saan yung nandito? Heart.
Picture lang.
That's so I think really what's like more of this fun part though because I just read like a bit. But I want to just go back to trampoline, but I think I don't want because or my leg's gonna hurt again. So that means you have to subscribe already by the way because everybody is now saying subscribe to me right now, including oh my god, okay. Only the guards just only say subscribe, but please subscribe guys if you're watching this video because like the guards just say subscribe and then what is gonna like say subscribe though because it looks like a royalty family when they like upload a video uploads a video about they going to any drive through to 24 hours and then someone and what's over there? Yeah. Where's Kuya Zion? I just want to go back to the horse.
Nandun ako sa heart. May horse
Huh?
din ako. May horse.
Yeah. I just want to go back to the horses. Nanay. No. No. Not that horse thing. No, right over there. Nah, don't. Okay, they're still waiting already, but let's just wait for them right away. Alright. So like what they did already, I think they're over there because oh yeah, I want to go over there. Oh my gosh, wait. I don't even. Oh my gosh, no. Wait, no.
Pwede man ka dire ka, oh. Dito ba?
No?
Yeah, hold ka dire.
No. Where's Tatay? Where's Tatay? Where's Tatay? Tatay, I think I truly want to look at them right away, but
Ano wala man ka nag-ride dito? Mas nice ko dito. Mabito gitawag yung fun park eh, para na kay fun ba?
oh my gosh. 9:58. Why is it so wide? I think the employees just they're not even it's not even guards, it's actually employees right now. So say subscribe to us. Wait, is that the decline? Is that the decline?
Daddy Klein?
The decline?
The
The decline! Hey! Hello! Wait, let's go. Over there. Wait. Wait. Is Kuya Zion is with you? Is Kuya Zion with you? The decline! Is Kuya Zion right there over you? Oh wait, Zizi! Wait. Mama, bye. Wait, Mama, bye. Yes, Kuya Zion. Is that Kuya Zion? Oh my gosh. Wait, is that Kuya Zion? Wait, is that Kuya Zion? Oh my gosh. So that decline is with Kuya Zion. Wait. Hi. Kuya Zion. Hi. Oh yes. We just made it through them. Yes. Oh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Wait. Let's just go back. Outside already. Okay. Nay, it's not time for picturing. Let's go outside so we can meet Kuya Zion.
1 mile.
Oh my gosh, it's 10 p.m.
Oh, 1 p.m. na?
Yeah.
Exactly?
Yeah.
Oh, come.
I know it.
I love it.
I know it.
Ya, biyaan lang tamo. Ano lang may nanay. Zane. Ari na lang ka ni Ate Kayol. Mag-una lang may nanay ha.
Yes.
Upa na lang ka, Zin.
Ayun.
No.
30 minutes raman.
Ha?
30 minutes raman.
Mag-book
Kasi
pa mo.
Lex. Ha?
Mag-book pa mo.
Na may taxi.
Kuan mag-green. Green ba?
We should just not go home yet, but only Tatay and Nanay will go home.
Doon lang. Ay, dali. Raman ang biyahe. sige lang lagay.
Di, kuhan mang good kay...
There's no stars?
Ha? Close
What
naman
is
sila.
it? What is this?
Ang bata raman ni tay.
Eh, pwede na dako.
Ang bike sa mo ni tatay ka. Last.
Bike?
Oh.
No.
Ganun ko musuwi. Cut ani.
Try.
Try.
Okay, where is Kuya Zion and others? No. I don't want to go to the slide. Ate Kyle was so talented.
12 years old. 12 pa man na. 12 pa na.
12 years old. Sige, go.
12 pa na siya.
Oh! Oh,
12 years old ka no?
Come on, let's go. Let's go meet them already.
Nawa, na din bike.
Wait. Look, there's a moon. There's a moon. Okay, there's a moon.
Baka, rin malingaw dito tayo. Sampay na sila.
Sila mga mechanical rights.
No.
Ayaw na kayo. Nakatulang kami. Dili lang, be.
No. Not as well. It's already not closed. Alright, come on. That's more likely what I even thought. Wait, there's Zizi. Zizi?
Ah!
Wait, where's Daddy Glenn and Kuya Zion? No. I think or what? That's it's like red, yellow, blue, purple.
Tara na.
Asa man ta? Asa man ang maniniyot?
Tara.
Wala, nagsakay na ito.
Kuya Zion!
Sakay
Kuya Zion! Tara giyan na ba?
Apil mo itong dako.
Kana sakay sa ng tubig eh. Oh, kana.
Natag sa ay.
Tara, oh.
Do you want to go in there again?
Ayun.
Kuya Zion, do you want to go over there again? Tara. Di haba.
Kato magana ka?
Oo. Come on, let's go.
Zane!
No.
Diyan mo sa front, mga bata. Diyan mo sa front.
Oh.
Kami tanan.
Kami kuguson lang.
Sige lang, inaapod siya. Iya, anong kuhan. Naman ay soft copy.
Ah, sige.
Hamog dan dito.
Oh.
Ato ni ma-access, no?
Smile say, smile. Kamot tayo. Happy face. Baby.
Happy face, be.
Ano, oh, like this, pero like this, baby, like this.
Ikan kita guairan ani ron. Okay.
Come on, let's go to this one. Fun.
Bye!
Alright, so this is the end of the video right now, and then we're gonna like go to the fun park already, and then I think we just need a new outro and then some other new videos with it, and then but we can just need to. But see you guys soon, and then please subscribe already because there's so many posters. Like, and subscribe to me. Yeah. Come on, subscribe if you want. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go.